how to set a default shipping address on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually set a default shipping address on Amazon. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, when you try to order something from Amazon, your default address is also going to be set there. And if you want to change how your default address looks like and you want to set some other address as your default address, you could absolutely do that. So to do that, all you have to do is just open the Amazon shopping app, and keep in mind that you can do this from your browser. You're not only limited to the application. So once you're on the Amazon application over here, I'll just tap on the account icon from the bottom. Once I tap on account icon here, I'll be able to see all this, where you have to go to the option called your account, which is at the very top of the screen. So once you tap on the option called your account, you just want to scroll and then look for the option called your addresses. So just look for the option called your addresses over here. As you can see, under account settings, I have the option called your addresses, so just make sure to tap on it. Now basically, I have got two addresses, and one is actually set as my default address, which you can see the default icon at the top. Now first of all, if you want to add a new address, just tap on the add a new address button, and that will be set as a default address. But in order to set it as default, let's say I want to set the second address as my default. If it's not default already, you'll find the option called set as default. You can just tap on the set as default option in order to set that specific address as your default address. If you want to change the address, just tap on the add a new address, enter the new address you want to use, tap on save, and your new address will be saved, and you can set that as your default address. This is how you can change your default address on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.